it should be correct. We have to see who is writing correct words on the board and who is completing the task very first. Okay? Just watch and feel. Okay, start.
Hello, my name is Lakshmi Mahesh Patil. My school name is ZPCP S9. School 9. My favorite teacher is Zara sir. My father name is Mahesh Patil, who is a farmer. My mother name is Rohini Patil, who is a housewife. My favorite friend is Pooja and Mayuri and Sule. My favorite hobby is drawing. Thank you, friends.